ng cellphone.
Miss, ibuhan yung cellphone.
Ah, sige, wait lang. The rubble and tree. Tulog na nato. Let's go. Nakatry there, guys. So, I skip, guys. Kaya na-claim na nato and oh my god, here it is, guys. See you on Sunday. So guys, abot na tagikan sa dito nag-claim sa atong race kit. So I'm gonna show you and let's fit in and what's inside of this. What's inside of their kits from Ocean Jet. So let's open. So first time ang race bib na to 21 kilometers medium size. Ang raffle entry kay gihulog na dito daan and natay post race meal, baggage, finisher singlet, finisher medal. So yeah, ganun siya. And also we have to go nga kuan so man siya na sila yung promo code sa to go travel kana. And then the shirt one ang shirt, yeah, kana siya, ganahan ko Duke, so medium size. So guys, let's fit in. Okay rest siya pero pag add to naman kayo murag pila na pero dili kayo jud siya pila ang kanang ilang kon. Pag kung ano yung service mo labang raka niya na ara dito makita ra nimo nga sa gawas na yung Ocean Jet niya lahos raka, so nakita ra jud siya. Let's fit in. So ano siya guys. So see you guys on June 14 Sunday and see you on City de Marie. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching and bye.